Now's the time to save.
Take a ride in the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Yeah.